Okay guys, this is part 2 of the full wrap for the Supra. In today's video, we're gonna wrap the roof. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to wrap a roof. Coming up next. Also check out Vinyl Frog. This is the brand I'm using for the wrap. The color of the wrap is Miami Blue. This is the website, vinylfrog.com. The link for this material, they have more options and it's very good quality and super shiny. Link on the description of the video. Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna wrap the roof. This one. On my previous wrap, I didn't do the roof. I left the roof in black because I like it like that. But this time we're gonna wrap it the same color of the wrap to protect the roof. So to wrap the roof, we have to remove these trim plastics. These ones, you have to remove these ones. And this one doesn't have an antenna. If you have an antenna on your car, you have to remove the bolt and disconnect the wires. I already have a video how to remove the antenna. I'm gonna put it on the link of the description of the video down below. But that's it. Only remove the antenna and remove this plastic. Some cars they don't have this trim plastics, but this one it does. Okay, so let's start with installation for the roof wrap. But first we're gonna remove these trims. Okay guys, to remove the plastic trim, from the roof, you only need a trim tool and a microfiber. I'm gonna wrap it around the microfiber and we're gonna lift the front and then we're gonna slide it forward. We're gonna lift the front and slide the plastic forward like this. We're gonna lift the front and then slide it forward. And super simple. Amazing, look at that. It's super easy. Okay, let's start by cleaning the roof, and also I'm gonna apply tack reducer for the roof. And the next thing is to cut the sheet for the roof, but make sure that you are leaving extra material for the roof. And then the next step is to remove the backing paper, but I am only going to remove 2/3 of the backing paper because I'm gonna start on the middle and I'm gonna glass the vinyl. Glass the wrap, it means removing the wrinkles before you use the squeegee. So here I'm gonna start on the center with the squeegee, removing the air from the center, lifting the material, and then the sides. Okay, so remember, lift the material first, remove any wrinkles, and then you can use the squeegee. And now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do the same process. I'm gonna lift the wrap, stretch it, use the squeegee, and then I'm gonna cut the vinyl, the excess vinyl, and in here I'm using the glass as a guide to cut the vinyl. Same thing on the front, and on the sides I'm leaving like an extra inch of material, and then use the heat gun to remove any stretch of any wrinkle to make the material soft. That way you can conform the material to the edges. And the last step is to tuck the material on the sides. I always use 2 squeegees, one squeegee to lift the rubber strip and the other squeegee is to tuck the material under the plastic. Okay, now the last step is to cut the excess vinyl. Okay, so first we're gonna cut the excess vinyl. I can do it. I'm trying to show you the better I can. Okay, that's one. Okay, let's do the corners first and then we'll do the sides after. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Okay, got it. So now the next step is to cut the edge. See if I can do it here. Hard to do it like this. Like this. Okay, this is the only thing left. Let's go very slow. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And just like that, look at that. Amazing. Just use the heat gun for the edges, and that's it. It's done. Okay guys, the roof wrap is done. It was super easy, but if you have a question, put it in the comments. Remember, I have a training how to do a wrap. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the wrap videos. Okay, thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, and this is the information for the giveaway. Okay, we're gonna give away a dash cam. Here's the dash cam that we're gonna give. It's a dash cam that I already tested. It's an open box, but it's still brand new. Okay, and these are the rules for the giveaway. Okay, you have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to like this video, okay, and you have to put a comment in this video, and we're gonna pick a winner from this video. Okay, so it's super easy, nothing fancy. Just be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money. This is gonna be free, and I don't have Telegram. Okay. Okay, and one more thing, this is only for the USA subscribers. Sorry for the international subscribers, it's only USA subscribers. Okay, good luck guys, God bless you, thank you for participating, and in the next video we are going to announce the winner. Thank you for watching, like the video, hit the notification bell so you can see if you won the camera, the dash cam, and see you on the next video. Bye, blessings.